This is definitely on the small bus.
This is my new boyfriend. I hope you all know. It's this thing like, dude. Oh my god.
She's falling out of the chair.
Dude, there's another seat. Hell yeah. This is a lot of fun. I kind of like it. I don't want to get off now. Why?
Turn around.
Why?
Turn around.
No.
Please?
What are you going to do?
No, I won't do anything, I promise.
I'm trying to hear it. You can't hear it. You can't really move much in there.
What are you doing?
There.
Dude, listen to it.
Oh, you're just gonna get out?
What? You are my new boyfriend.